Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to change your Facebook password on any device. It's important to keep our accounts secure, so let's dive in. First, let's access Facebook. Whether you're using a desktop, mobile app, or browser, log into your account. Next, select Security and Login. This is where you manage your password and security settings. Now it's time to change your password. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password. After entering your password, confirm the change. You should receive a notification that your password has been updated successfully. For added security, log out of any devices you no longer use. You can do this in the same security settings menu. If you face any issues, common problems include forgetting your current password or account access issues. Follow the prompts for recovery options. To wrap up, changing your password frequently helps keep your account secure. Always opt for strong passwords and stay vigilant. We'd love to hear your experiences. Share in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.